Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great collapsible travel massage table by a company called Brelley. As you can see, I am laying on it right here. So basically, when you get this, it's going to come in a nice carrying case bag that has a nice shoulder strap, makes it super easy to carry. When it is in its collapsed position, it is approximately 36 inches wide by 28 inches tall and about 7 inches in depth. Now, as you can see, when you fully open this up, it is quite large. Give you reference, I am 6 foot and I easily fit on this table. It is approximately 6 inches long. That is not including the headrest right here. It is about 28 inches wide, and once again, it is not including the arm rests on the side. And then the height, it has adjustable feet, which will allow you to adjust the height from approximately about 23 inches all the way up to 31 inches in height. So once again, depending on how tall you are, you'll be able to get this massage table to the most comfortable height for you to give the physical massage. Now, as far as the material, it is all made of a nice faux leather here, which means it is super easy to clean up. So if you get oils, massage oils and whatnot, or any grease on there, simply can wipe it away with a wet cloth or any sanitizing materials. Very easy to clean. Now, it has several features that I like. So, like I mentioned, it has that height. It can adjust 7 different height positions, so you can find the perfect height for you. Also, the headrest here, it has a little knob on the side, which allows you to adjust the height either taller or lower. So depending on who you are giving a massage, whatever is most comfortable, you can easily adjust that. It's also really easy to take this in and out. It just slides into 2 little slots. And then on the bottom, it has a nice little rest for your arms. So that way, when you're getting a massage, your arms aren't just draping along. My only complaint here is you do feel the little hinges here on the front that keeps everything closed. But it is a very kind of minor thing. Now, it also has in the middle, if you don't want to use the headrest and you scoot down, they do have this little removable pocket here, so you can put your face in this and still breathe and be flush with the table. Now, the side pieces, easily once again to remove. All these little accessory pieces can easily fit on the underside of the massage table, all tucked away, so that way when you're bringing it from location to location or you're putting it in storage or whatnot, you don't have to worry about losing these little pieces or how to store them. It all closes in very nicely in this whole setup. As far as the back part here, the feet, this is also adjustable, so you can just simply pull it up and find the perfect position. So if you want to arch up your feet, you can do that. Or if you want to spin around, you can do that also if you're putting your head on that side and you're laying on your back. As far as the legs, they are all made out of a nice stainless steel round tubes. It's very stable, as you can see. Moving it around, I don't feel like it's going to collapse on me, and it says it's rated up to 595 pounds, so it can hold quite a bit of weight. The material itself that you are laying on, like I said, it is that faux leather, but it has about 1.5 inches of thickness of high density foam. So that means it is really nice and soft while laying on it, and it is a memory foam, so it has a nice rebound to it. So if it gets little divots or whatnot, and the next person, it will rebound back to the same position. But overall, if you like to give massages or receive massages, you're looking for a massage table either for yourself, or let's say you do massages on the go, whatnot, with various clients, and you're looking for a table that's easy to carry, I think this is a great item worth totally checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.